Empty. Oh, your panties empty. Did they eat? You know, because she ain't got no ass and shit like that. Empty the fuck where? Quit playing with that girl. She was never one of them. And you're mad. We gonna pull this right up. Y'all, with Victoria Monet said, I'm so deep up in my bag like a grandma with a peppermint. I'll cut that bullshit off. Who wrote that? Let's get some writers back to the drawing board. I don't like them vibes. Grind with me. Let that glue dry. Just take your time with me. And I promise that your wig gon' eat. Yeah. Been for an hour. Yeah, you. Make sure y'all lifting that band and repositioning it. Y'all be having the band all the way down here. What are you melting? Your brain cells? Put that shit on the hairline. God damn.
I can't make it to Renaissance, but we got Beyonce at home.